Hello students, today we are going to study, our topic name is data structure. We are going to see the introduction of data structure. What is data structure, the definition of data structure, where we use the data structure, how we use, why we use, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the data structure that we are going to see in this video. So let us see what is data structure, what is the definition of data structure. Now see, the data structure name indicates itself that organizing data in memory. So what does the data structure indicates? It indicates that organizing data in memory means the computer data, which we call it as information, that information we are storing in the computer's memory in an organized way. The next is data structure is not any programming language like C, CPP, Java. As we know, our basic language C, CPP, Java, they are our programming languages. Data structure is not as compared similar kind of C, CPP, Java. It is a set of algorithms that we can use in any programming language to structure data in memory. What we are going to do, we are going to store our data in the computer's memory but in a structured way, and therefore we are taking the help of data structure. Data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing information. This is the main purpose of the data structure is it is used to store. We are storing our data, we are storing our information, and in an organized way we are storing our data, our information in a particular format in our computer's memory so that it can be retrieved and used productively. We are storing the information in a proper way. After that we are retrieving the same information for our use, and what we are doing with that information, we are using it in a productive way. The next is each programming language provides a set of built-in data types. As we know that we have some built-in data types in our programming languages that you might have learned in your C, that int, char, float, these are the basic data types that we have already learned in our C language, which allows data to be stored in a meaningful format. So what is the purpose of this built-in data types? Why we are using this built-in data types? If you want to store integer, we are using int. If you want to store char, we are using char. If you want to store booleans, true or false, we are using the boolean. Then they give some meaningful format to that kind of a data so that it can be stored in a particular way in the computer's memory. The next thing is the language also provides a set of operations. The next part we will see what are the operations is been provided by the data structure to us to manipulate the data. So we are using this set of operations along with our basic data types. However, these data types are not enough and complex for large programming languages. Thus, there is a need for a standard for a structured data type which may be a combination or collection of basic data types with a set of properties and legal operations. So this is very important point that we are going to learn. Here we are using some set of properties and legal operations that we are going to perform on our data. This is called the conceptual definition of the data type or the abstract data type. Now here we are using the concept of abstract data